party. Three candies. What is that? Oh my gosh, my being right now is insane. My Wi-Fi right now is fixed now, so yeah, let's do this. Ignore any background noises, by the way. I can turn the dog on. Oh, please. I don't really want to be close over right now, though, to be honest. Oh my gosh, just leave it on. Hold on. Oh my gosh. It was like at 5,000. We are going to be at yatta. Which time? Just ask my friends. They're talking about research on paddle, by the way. Okay. Shall go. Nice. Let's go. Hold on, I'll see you when I get in the room. Alright, let's find a room because, I have 100,000. But would you only look back in? Finally, they left me alone. They would not leave me alone. I am really laggy right now. Not good. I'm just a silly. I knew it was gonna take. Okay, looks like thank you, Roger! Yay! There's the last thing. On last. Yeah, they're like entirely. Really? I swear to God. A lot of stamina. No wonder I couldn't find the other machines. They're all in the same room. Oh! That's what happened. No, you can't see your little face because of the stupid circle. Well, again, I can do it again. Thankfully, all good things there, I guess. Oh, by the way, are y'all excited for the Halloween event? I hope y'all are. found this one.